वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल गाइस। और भाई आज से वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अ न्यू सीरीज जिसमें वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अ फुल ई कॉमर्स ऐप फ्रॉम स्क्रैच। तो इस वीडियो में बेसिकली होने क्या वाला है, वी आर गोइंग टू मेक अ ई कॉमर्स ऐप। और ये वीडियोस लाइक थोड़े थोड़े पार्ट्स में होगी, लाइक अराउंड 20 वीडियोस हैं जिसमें वी आर गोइंग टू मेक अ ई कॉमर्स ऐप फ्रॉम स्क्रैच। एंड the main objective of this video is to learn Flutter from basics. ठीक है, तो this video is not just any clone of any website. We are going to make our own e-commerce app जहाँ पे we are going to like do the UI with the most modern ways, and let's know how to do it. So आज की वीडियो में basically we are going to know what to do, and we are going to set up a project and create a splash screen. Okay, so let's start with the video. So you can see on my screen we have the app from the previous video that we have created, and now we are going to introduce a splash screen over this. Okay, so splash screen banane se pehle, let me tell you what is a splash screen. So splash screen is basically a screen जिसमें whenever you open an app, तो जो स्क्रीन कुछ सेकंड्स के लिए आती है विच डिस्प्लेज द ऐप लोगो, वो अपनी स्क्रीन पे विजिबल होती है एंड देन इट नेविगेट्स टू मेन स्क्रीन। ओके, सो आज की वीडियो में अपन वो ही क्रिएट करने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट। तो सबसे पहले लेट्स सी व्हाट टाइप ऑफ यूआई वी आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट। और जो यूआई मैंने सिलेक्ट किया है वो मैंने ड्रिबल से सिलेक्ट किया है। सो यू कैन सी दैट, see, this is the UI which we are going to create, which is kind of modernized. It's a shoe app, और यही सेम अपन ऐप बनाने वाले हैं and you'll gonna like it. So let's start with the video. So first of all, let's see the app and let's start with that. So जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि splash screen is a screen जो कुछ seconds के लिए होती है. So let's try to make it and know how we can make it. So सबसे पहले अपन एक स्क्रीन बनाते हैं, उसका नाम होगा splash dot dart, which is basically empty screen. So first of all, let's make a stateful widget. So you will be getting all the things over here. और यहाँ पे basically what we are making a simple splash screen जिसमें अपने ऐप का लोगो होगा। और लोगो अपन कहाँ से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, जो कि साइट्स होती है। तो यहाँ पे एक बेसिक बॉयलर प्लेट कोड आ गया। यू कैन डाउनलोड ऑल द थिंग्स फ्रॉम एक्सटेंशन। और यहाँ पे लेट्स नेम इट एज स्प्लैश एंड include import some of the libraries. Okay, so यहाँ पे अपन ने एक basic structure of a splash screen create कर लिया है। and after that let's try to do something which is more good over it. So for that, let's start with this. First of all, this is a screen, and inside that we can create multiple things. For example, here we can write with and we are going to implement some of the animations over this. That's why we are making animation controller. Perfect. Of controller. After that, we are going to make one init state. So basically, what is an init state? Init state consists of function which which basically execute first time whenever we use app. Okay, so for this also we have one boilerplate. You can download all this on the snippets which we can consist of. So here we have super init, and inside that we are going to call the same controller with animation of duration, 5 seconds. Perfect. So this is a function which goes that, and after that, creating this, we have to call the controller and use forward. Then all these things, after the timer has made, we now have to go to the different screen, seconds of 5, and this is the timer. And inside that, we are going to use the navigation push, cause a 5 minute बाद 5 second बाद it will basically go to the another screen, and we are using push replacement over here जिससे अपन वापस ये वाली स्क्रीन पे ना आए. Cause the main problem with this कि जब भी अपन नेविगेशन बनाते हैं तो अगर मैं सिंपल पुश नेविगेट बनाता हूँ तो उससे अपन वापस ये वाली स्क्रीन पे आ सकते हैं, बट दिस इज अ स्क्रीन जो सिर्फ एक ही बार आए और आफ्टर दैट इट वोंट कम. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी आर मेकिंग. And here the main screen will be coming. Just have to import the screen over here. Perfect, and give it here. Some of the parameters over here is missing. Similarly, we have to call like this only because it have some of the parameters. That's why. Perfect. And after that, we just have to move forward to that. Let's try to format this document. Uh, After that, what we are going to do is to make a dispose function or using an override. Override method basically overrides the things which is already present over there. So we are going to use dispose. In dispose, we are going to dispose this controller because it will contain some of the memory. Perfect. So our function is made, and now the only thing we have to make is a scaffold. Perfect. So this is how we are going to make this, and inside scaffold, uh, we are calling a body which basically contains a container, or let's take an image. So in this video I'll be also teaching you how to access the image. For accessing the image, basically what we do, we just go to our browser, and inside our browser we just type flat icons. This website uh, अपन को बहुत सारे icons देती है, and in this icon we can just about shoe, because we are making a shoe app, shoe selling app. So here we can download multiple of the icons. So let's choose one of the icons from this, which looks a little cool और जो अपने theme के साथ जाते हैं. So basically we are selling the sneakers, so we should be getting the sneakers. So I hope this would be perfect. So let's download in the PNG form. Perfect. And we can basically set the part जिससे ये सारी चीज़ें easy हो जाएं और वो डायरेक्ट वहीं पे आए. Here let's make a folder name as assets, which will contain all of the assets, and inside assets we'll paste this. Perfect. So this is how you all gonna import that, and let's go to the VS Code again. Okay, so we have put it inside our assets folder, and you can see that our image came over here. Perfect now. So this is how we are going to do that. And now if you want to use this image, so you will go to the pubspec.yml. In the pubspec.yml you have to remove this and this, all the comments, and basically give the relative path of this image. Perfect. So this is how आपने अपने चीजों को बता दिया कि यहाँ पे वो आने वाली है. Perfect. And after that you just have to run the command flutter pub get. So you can see in that all the things will be inside that. So perfect. So we have things over here, and then uh, we have to use it. So how we can use it? Just again copy this path and use it over here. Perfect. The only thing we have to do, let's assign at the center, and let's try to build it and see what happens. Okay. So, oh, the main thing we forgot to do, we just have to change the path of air to splash screen. Perfect. So let's try how it runs. So you can see that it came, but the asset is not loaded. So every time you will make this, you have to rebuild the whole app. For app, let's rebuild this. After rebuilding, you will be seeing the splash screen with the things over here. So till the time the app is building, I would suggest you to like use more of the things over here. So how we can design it more as splash screen, basically we can also give a background color over here, which is a white color specifically. Perfect. And after that we can also add some of the corner to it, which will be like I'll be teaching you in next classes. तो यहाँ पे ये चीज हो गई है. And next thing we are going to initiate over this. So our app is installing. So you can see that a splash screen came with the shoes image inside that, and then we navigated to this screen. But the thing is, the splash screen have more like we don't want this much big splash screen. इतनी बड़ी नहीं होनी चाहिए. So we'll just go to the container, wrap inside a container, and center this container. Perfect, and give some of the heights and width to that. Height of, let's say, 150. Width of, let's say, 150. Let's try to format it and run again and see whether it's coming or not. So yeah, you can see that this is how we can make splash screen over our app. So this is for the today guys. तो आज अपन ने सीखा कि एक splash screen कैसे बनाते हैं. तो आने वाली वीडियोस में we are going to make the whole UI of this app, और ये पूरा app working होने वाला है जिसमें we are going to consider a back end with the help of Firebase, जहाँ पे data भी back end से आएगा. And we are going to make one of the best UIs over this. Like nobody taught this on the YouTube before, or itna zyada modern UI over this will be creating. So please make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. और अगर आपको भी ऐसे cool projects बनाने हैं बनवाने हैं तो you can also ping or text to the number in the description. So thank you for watching. I hope you would like the video, and thank you.